and you're very mean. I'll share with you again.
Ladies and gentlemen, tell me
mean if you don't like sharing food.
I lie that. You see? You see? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up, people?
Hi, everybody. What's up?
Long time enough.
It's been a while, guys.
A month. We have been.
We're busy, bad.
Life.
We're busy, kids.
Life.
We work.
Life.
Guys, we work otherwise from this, so you know.
Sometimes we want to do something, but the tired, you know, the hours and the tired.
The kids.
But just stay with us and pray for us, and
yes.
you know,
things will be changing soon, though, Kenny. In a couple of weeks.
All being well.
Yeah, they're gonna see us more.
So we're on the road right now. Monday's somebody's birthday. So trying to get a few stuff.
Monday's whose birthday?
Monday's Kaija's birthday.
Yeah.
So we're trying to get a few stuff for just a few stuff on the road.
We're gonna get some patty now.
By Patty. She like Patty, she love Patty.
And some food.
But I want to do. Just I hope that you guys have been keeping well. It's a warm, well, not so. But the breeze kind of look cool, you know.
Yeah, the summer almost done. Or summer done, which one?
It's not done fully, but we're going into fall because these leaves soon start change color. So we're on the road.
Yes, guys, I get some patty.
Alright, so keep
you
it locked.
All later, Kenny? What we call it out? Shopping out?
On you, so.
When you go shopping and you show them where you buy and so. Go to the dollar store.
Oh, so we went to dollar store.
Yeah.
And where else we went? We went. We'll get a few
go
stuff.
Go to dollar store and Kaija went to pick out her
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you, anytime we carry Kaija up on the road,
make sure
God Almighty, we have to ask God to bless our pockets all the time. We have to walk with a little something, a toy money, because she going to see something, and you know, and as a matter of fact, her mom said she led her to the toys here.
When she saw it at the toy store, she was so excited. She's like, ah! She run.
And once she get it, she's good right now.
And her birthday is coming up too, so I guess she pick out her gift from early.
Well, that's it for her birthday.
So guys, look at it. I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that I got at the dollar store. Yeah.
Dollar.
Stuff that you can go to the dollar store and get.
It's not. When you say dollar store, it's not $1, but it's when you mean dollar store, it means it's not the regular price, so it's a little bit cheaper. It's cheaper. Yeah. So if something is $10, I get it for $4, something like that, right?
Yeah.
The most expensive stuff there is $4, but Katie saw something for $5, which I never. Normally it's $4 at the top.
Yeah, but cost of living.
But I don't know if inflation make the thing go up. So we see something for $5.
Yeah, cost of living going on.
It's either between $1
You want to show them what
to
you
$4.
got?
Now it's, you
This is
know,
what Kaija bought.
bought her a little toy, so
Yeah.
so she's good right now, so, and Karim is good over there, so
He's having his snack.
him a chill, you know. So I hope we just keep it locked. We're on the road. Alright. We stop and get some patty for Kai. Well, we get food too. Get food for Katie, and she can't wait till she come watch her go down in her food. This is a Jamaican patty place in Brampton called Tinel's. Them sell food. It's like a juicy beef kind of vibe, right? Yeah. That's how tasty is not sell food too. Katie, there's an accent to this, you know? Like some man, them carry fire truck.
She make it buy one juice.
about 5 times after that. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, so we're up on the road. This is curry goat to buy. Yeah, so I go home now. Up on the road, yeah. Just kind of warmish a little bit. Going into fall soon. It's nice.
Jamaican food is the best.
Everybody, we're going to the Jamaican place, the amount of different, all even normal sunrise. But the people flood Jamaican place. You know.
Jamaican food, I'm sorry guys, I have to say Jamaican food is the best.
Yeah, forgive us. I know everybody gonna have their own bias, but we have our bias. Jamaican food
is the best.
Is the mucho besto. No, whatever. Very, very, very best. Mucho gracias.
Very best.
Let me say mucho besto. Ladi.
That's not.
You know, it's not proper English. I mean, it's a make-up stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, you know how much a bag of bag juice? Bag juice? How much? The $20. That makes sense? No, sir. How much it, want to tell me, write in your comment and tell me how much a bag of Jamaican Carl's bag juice. Write and tell me. Carl's they over Portmore. Carl's they right behind. We probably come from a Portmore right behind Promise Beverly. Yeah man, the factory around here, may I tell you. Right at Portmore Mall is the factory, the place. And want to tell me that the comment right in the but it's $20 for a bag.
I don't even remember how much is in the bag.
Which is a good amount in it. Normal bag juice. You want to get to Jamaica. But yeah, it's expensive. I don't know why.
The one that I bought, I got less than what they normally have.
And it was
the person just put it in a regular white plain bag. The bag didn't have colors on it, so she just put the bag juice in it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Crazy. It's crazy. Tell me. I don't know what $20 Canadian is.
Trenton, can you say upstairs?
No. You want drop. Ladies and gentlemen, she want drop off of me if you drop big. And I mean that you eat your food, I don't want this. I eat your curry goat.
I want to say upstairs, I want to say that. You're very mean. I'll share with you again.
Ladies and gentlemen, tell me
if you don't like sharing food.
I lie that. You see, Katie will have a big plate of food.
Move man.
And you have your little bowl and she wants to taste your bowl.
You're very mean with your food. You must share. You must share food.
It's a psychology to get to taste it.
I want to eat oxtail. We can't cook oxtail.
Can't cook oxtail a bad.
Mean man. The shares and your base taste it.
Lord of
mercy. I'm going to taste the oxtail.
See there? See it? Me tell you, say it a go back to taste it. Me tell you what me know what got.
You're oxtail man.
Me know what got, ladies and gentlemen. So you
taste the oxtail. You can't taste it, you taste the oxtail. You taste it now?
Me going on my
food. Kenton, me taste the oxtail, Kenton.
You're going on my food. Because somebody now get the meat, that can't be meat. That is psychology. That's no word.
A temptation, this. If they're pregnant, you'll make me
No.
You don't look good, me now.
Look here now. Look here now, ladies and gentlemen. Is it mean or greedy? You have greed, you know. Greedy people say it mean.
Let me taste the oxtail.
Never hear that? It's like Patacos keckle. You can't tell them how it is, because it might, you can't know your taste different from mine.
Our oxtail tastes better.
You see it? Yes, let me tell you. Me know say it now going to suit up for them.
Should I take the curry goat?
No, I don't know curry. No, I don't triple curry like that.
Should I take the curry goat? Guys, my food tastes
So
better.
I'm on the way home, guys. So check back in with you.
My food
when I get
tastes better than Kenton oxtail.
Yeah, well, I saw it go.
You didn't want oxtail first, but I'm glad to change my mind.
Sir, you shouldn't
I'm
have.
happy I changed my mind. Let me translate.
You see?
And took the curry goat.
So may I say?
Curry goat tastes good.
You see?
Yes,
You see, you taste my food and you criticize me. That's you shouldn't taste it.
I kind of eat up in my teeth.
You see it?
I mean, crush it down.
Peeps, so come back, alright? So ladies and gentlemen, we are home. Yeah. We're gonna be eating right now. We're gonna be eating my oxtail that Katie was fighting me over, and Katie gonna eat her. You're gonna eat Katie? Oh, there's Kareem. There's Kareem there. Hey Kareem, say hi. Say hi.
Hey guys.
Katie.
Mwah.
I'm gonna eat my oxtail. Alright?
See, I want some beef.
Yeah, some, them oxtail never normally very brown. And gravy. But, alright guys, I'm gonna eat some food right now.
Yes, we bought some bathroom mats. These used to be $4, now they're like $5. We bought, this is to clean our floor. These are some wipes. You put it on a special, what do you call it, Kenny? The Swiffer thing. It's not Swiffer, but yeah, it's a special wipes to wipe the floor, and it comes with something to attach the wipes to. Yes, I don't really know the name of it. But yeah, like this, guys. Yeah, so we have this already. We bought it at the dollar store, and the drawer organizer. We put our forks, our spoon, and our knives in this. Put it in the drawer, and some balloons, some candles, because it's Kaisha's birthday on Monday. Tablecloth, and we bought these for the bathroom. They're scented, so we put them in our garbage bag. Yeah, so Monday's her birthday. We already have a happy birthday sign, so we decided that we're not gonna buy another one. Kaisha started this strike already, you see? She tear off the Y. So last week on the 16th were 16th was Kareem's birthday. So we have this from Kareem's birthday. Yeah, and we also got this at this is a toilet brush. Got this at the dollar store as well. So yeah, guys, that's a few stuff that we got on the road today. What do you say? What must I do?
What's in my balloon?
Kaisha, I gave you one already.
Open it.
Okay, I'll open it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we had a long day today. We had to pause to go deal with the children. As you can see, one is sleeping now. The other one is trailing me behind me somewhere. Yeah, man. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Remember to share and leave your comments. Please comment. It helps with the algorithm. Alright, and click the notification bell when you see we have a new video. What you say, Katie? Katie in the background.
Notification bell. Oh, when we have a new video out,
yeah,
you will be notified.
You will be notified. Alright.
I'm in the kitchen.
So Katie's in the kitchen straightening up. I hope that you enjoy the rest of your weekend. And we are gonna try and do better to do more videos, alright?
Yes, guys.
It's just that sometimes we get busy with the children, yeah? And it sometimes can be a lot of work. Alright, so bless upon yourself. Until the next video. Peace from the Traces. We're out of here. Bye,
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.